So you guys literally ate my ass when I showed you the tinting process on the Speed 3 about my taillight. And I have a new video for you guys today. For everyone that didn't like those taillights, I got a set of new taillights. So I outdid myself, drove pretty far, and I got some new taillights. So taillights aren't here anymore, they are gone. Speed is locked. I'm driving her tomorrow. People are asking me if I'm storing this. No, she's gonna stay here. So the aftermarket LED taillights are gone. I did sell those for a set of OEM LED taillights. So basically what I did, I went out and I met with a club member who actually watches my videos. Brody was nice enough to actually trade his OEM LED taillights for my aftermarket LED taillights that I tinted. So we got a set of relatively good looking LED taillights. I'm quite interested. Stuff about these LED taillights, it's relatively the same. So here we have non-LED taillight speed. Here we have LED taillight speed. A little more glossier because we just clear coated these. So this part is different. Or the same. This is the stock one with the bulbs in it, so that's why it looks amber, that's why it looks red. It would be clear if I didn't have those bulbs in it. And then here are the OEM LED taillights. So they're clear, obviously amber, and not red until they light up. So there's LEDs all the way around that go red, make it look really cool. So what we're gonna be doing today is, since we have these new taillights, is we're gonna be wrapping them again. And I actually wanna show you how I wrap them, like start to finish, just so you guys can do it yourselves. I didn't really show it in my wrapping video, but I will show you how to wrap one of these, and I'll do the other ones off camera. But I'm gonna be wrapping them again to get rid of that really shiny chrome look and to go with the rest of the car. But basically I'm gonna be showing you off these OEM LED taillights if you guys have either the stock ones that aren't LED, or if you guys want to just kind of change up the look if you don't already have these already. You can find these in junkyards, find them on eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and get started by wrapping these, and then we'll throw them in the car. I did the right side. Right side has been tinted. I did that one little lamp right there. And so I'm going to be doing the last corner lamp, which is the one that I wanted to show you guys on how I did it. Here I have the lamp. Make sure you clean it off, get rid of all the grease and everything, repolish it. I suggest that. Fortunately, my finish, my tinting is not going to come out 100% because this this clear coat wasn't 100% properly done. There's like kind of dirt in the clear coat. So I'm gonna have bubbles, which I did have on the other ones. I really should wet sand this, but I don't want to deal with it. I just want this to be over and done with. I've done way too much taillight tinting BS in the recent. So I clean the surface. I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Basically, it's kind of like it should be a two-step process if you're doing this for a first time. And like I said, I'm not 100% professional, so people will do this in different ways. Basically what I'm going to start off, since my paper is somewhat small enough, I'm going to bend it outwards. I'm going to make sure, I think I have more than enough. Essentially what you want to do is start on the flattest surface. So flat right here, and it bends, and then it bends really hard, and then we have the bend right here. So basically what we're going to do is lay out as much as we can without air bubbles, and then stop it and basically heat up the entire thing and just wrap right over. So I'm going to start off, like I said, with the flattest area. When you're pushing down, make sure you have no bubbles. And honestly, so basically from here, I'm just going to full on just send it. Make sure you have no current bubbles, and I'm just gonna heat this entire area up and take it real quick and just bend it right over. So I messed up quite a bit actually here, so we're gonna touch this up. So right here I'm gonna have to stretch this out. Basically I'm gonna have to redo this. I'm gonna heat this back up. I'm gonna try and go back over here. This is quite embarrassing, if I must add. This is probably the worst wrap I've done. Okay, so this portion is done, and we're gonna focus on this bend up here. Basically gotta redo this entire top portion. Man, this is just not having it. This is my last wrap too. Okay, so that's all done. Now I gotta do this, and this corner should be easy. I should just be able to kind of just send it on there. Okay, that's done now, so I'm gonna focus on wrapping the edges. Super basic. That should be good. There's a liner that goes around and you can stick the razor in it and cut it precision. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did use lots of wrap. Do not do that. This made it a lot more difficult. I think I did the edges the best on this one out of all of them. And you know what? Honestly, I think it does kind of did do better. It just, I did horrible wrapping it out of the line. But anyways, final result. Taillight is complete. Basically, I just want to like clear things up. Is like, this is basically what you're going to be doing if you're doing it by yourself and you have no idea what you're doing. So like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just get that heat and everything makes this work. And so obviously there's bubbles because the lens isn't super clean because of the clear, but I'm not too worried. So let's go ahead and put these back in while it's still somewhat bright out and test them out. Okay. As stock as this looks, I think that looks pretty good. It looks very dark right now, just because it's a little darker out right now, but it's not actually too dark. So let's have a light test. Those look pretty gnarly in the shaded look. Let's go for the blinker, and there you guys have it. Cheap LED, expensive LED, makes a difference. So blinkers, brake lights, reverse light. Oh, those actually look so good. Okay, I'm very pleased with how that turned out. There you guys have it. Cool new taillights for Amber. Alright guys, and that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the MazdaSpeed and 323 and the Mazda 3. So quite successful, quite happy with how these look. You know, I'll obviously probably redo the wrap in future a long time from now. And I hope you guys like them more than my aftermarket ones that I had. I did like those, but they've gone to a better place. I think Buddy's gonna really like them. So anyways, guys, keep it real. I will see y'all in the next one.